Hello students, welcome to your science class. As you know it that we are learning our chapter 1 and here we are learning about the adaptation by plants. In last video we have started this chapter and in this chapter we learned that adaptation for getting sunlight. First we learned that what is a adaptation, all the suitable characters that plant have to survive in their surrounding, those are called their adaptations. And for getting sunlight, what the special character all the plants have, they grow straight and tall, so they can get the sunlight. And climbers and creepers have long tendrils to getting the sunlight. Then we learn about the adaptation for getting and storing water. Now today we are going to start from this adaptation, that how they store their water and how they get water. Okay, it means what are the special features they have to get the water. Desert, you know it very well that in desert we do not have enough water. It is a very dry place. So which special character all the plants of desert have? Their roots of desert of plant go deep to get underground water, so their roots are deep. Plants lose water through pores of leaves. Therefore, the desert plant do not have leaves. All the plant those grow in desert place, they do not have leaves, and they do not have leaves. So how they prepare their food? Because their stem have chlorophyll. Okay, their stem is green and they contain chlorophyll and it make food for the plant. This is a special feature of the desert. So it is an adaptation of the cactus of the desert plant to getting the water and storing the water. Okay, come to the next. Here, adaptation for getting air. It means what are the special features all the plants have for getting the air. Mangrove trees grow in swampy area. Swampy area, it means all the clay of swampy area do not have air. And without air, no plants cannot be grow. So mangrove trees grow in swampy area. The soil does not contain air. Their roots come out of water so as to get water. Here you can see that their roots come out from the soil to get the air, because their soil is very clay, swampy area. Their soil do not have air, and to get the air their roots come out of the water so as to get air. So it is a special feature of those plants those grow on in swampy area. So it is a adaptation for getting air. Leaves of floating plant bear stomata on their upper surface only, which are not blocked by water and remain open to exchange gases. Okay, so floating plants have leaves. Floating plants leaves have stomata on their upper surface. Otherwise normal leaves have stomata in the lower surface of their, but only on floating plants bear stomata on their upper surface only, which are not blocked by water and remain open to exchange gases. Adaptation for getting food. Parasitic plant, you know it very well that parasitic plants are depend on others. They cannot make prepare their own food. They cannot make their own food. They develop suckers. It is a special feature of these plants. Special, it means adaptation for getting food. Suckers to draw food from the host plant. A few plants like peach plant have developed parts to trap. It means they attract insects and they eat these insects for nitrogenous food. Okay, so these parasitic plants depend on others. They have suckers and they have some developed parts to trap insect. So it is an adaptation for getting food of the parasitic plants. Adaptation for protection. Uh, Trees can repair their damaged part by themselves. All the trees, when we break any trunk, when we break any stem from the trees, it comes again. Just because trees can repair their damaged part by themselves, they grow a hard protective covering over the damaged soft tissues. Some plants like orange bear thorns. Okay, if we touch it, a rose plant also have thorns. If we pluck it, so it hurts ourselves. Okay, some plants like oranges bear thorns on them, thus animals are not able to eat them. Some plants like bark trees are poisonous, so animals do not eat their fruits or bark. So all the plants have some special feature to protect themselves for getting food, for protection, because they grow in different type of areas. So these all are the special features of plants for getting air, for getting food, for protection, okay, and for storing the water. uh, because of their special features, they can survive in their surrounding easily. Okay, so today we learned the different type of adaptation of different plants. So you will read it again and try to understand all the things. If you will face any problem, you can ask me. Okay, in next video we will learn about the dispersal. In next video I will tell you about the dispersal, and in Zoom meet I will ask some question till this chapter, till here, that whatever I will teach you in videos, I will ask in Zoom class that what you have learned from this chapter. Okay, goodbye students, have a nice day.